But Thoreau said, you must live in the present, launch yourself on every wave, find your eternity in each moment. Fools stand on their island opportunities and look toward another land. There is no other land, there is no other life but this. Does that make sense to you now? You can only experience this. That's what he's saying is, there is no land, meaning it's never your future or your past. Never is. This next one is really great by Thich Nhat Hanh, who's a Buddhist monk that wrote The Miracle of Mindfulness, I believe. He said, I enjoy taking my time with each dish, being fully aware of the dish, the water, and each movement of my hands. I know that if I hurry in order to go and have dessert, the time will be unpleasant, not worth living. That would be a pity, for each minute, each second of life is a miracle. The dishes themselves and the fact that I'm here washing them are miracles. Now, tune into this. This is as good as as good as any I've found on why we want to be mindful. He says, if I'm incapable of washing dishes joyfully, if I want to finish them quickly so I can go and have dessert, I'll be equally incapable of enjoying my dessert. With the fork in my hands, I'll be thinking about what to do next, and the texture and the flavor of the dessert, together with the pleasure of eating it, will be lost. I'll be always dragged in the future, never able to live in the present moment. This last one, Alan Watts said, no one imagines that a symphony is supposed to improve in quality as it goes along, or the whole objective of playing it is to reach the finale. The point of music is discovered in every moment of playing and listening to it. It is the same, I feel, with the greater part of our lives, and if we're unduly absorbed in improving them or getting to the next one, we may forget altogether to live them. This assignment says, the typical way of eating is to thoughtlessly shove food into our mouths, take a few brief chews, and send that only partly chewed food down to the stomach to work overtime on those portions that have hardly been broken down. It's no wonder we get tired after a meal. This exercise breaks us out of that mode of mindless eating. So it says, for this assignment, you will go by yourself, meaning without your cell phone and any other electronic device, to a place that serves food that you love. It doesn't matter what kind of food or what kind of restaurant you choose. It only matters that you are by yourself and the food appeals to you. You're going to experience this food mindfully. This means you'll focus on the experience of eating your food to the exclusion of everything else. You'll deliberately chew your food, focusing on the taste of each bite as it combines with your saliva, touches parts of your tongue to explode with taste, and gets broken down bite by delicious bite. You'll focus on the joy and wonderment of allowing this food to literally become a part of you. Isn't that amazing that the chicken leg that you're eating is going to be your thigh in 3 days? It's just the coolest thing ever. Tune into all the smells and varieties of taste that unfold for you as you eat. If you do this in a hurry to finish because you have seemingly more important things to do, you've failed. Remember, when we're acting mindfully, no moment has more importance than any other. Soon after you finish, while the experience is fresh in your mind, return to your computer, write about your experience of eating mindfully, thoroughly describe how the food tasted, how much you ate, what else you noticed about the experience, and also how you felt from a mind-body perspective while you ate mindfully.